This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Oxygen sensor replacement. Pull the hood release lever near the driver's side kick panel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood upward. Negative battery disconnection. Disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Set the parking brake and block the rear wheels. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the sensor and release the wiring harness from the retaining clip. Unscrew the sensor from the exhaust pipe or catalytic converter with an oxygen sensor wrench. Anti-seize compound must be used on the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. The threads of the new sensors will already be coated with this compound, but if an old sensor is removed and reinstalled, recoat the threads. Install the sensor and tighten it securely. Secure the wiring harness into the clip and connect the electrical connector. Then safely lower the vehicle. Connect the cable to the negative terminal of the battery and tighten the cable nut securely.